Like when we start working out in a gym, we always start with the smaller weights, the lighter weights. Now, as our muscular strength increases, we keep on increasing the poundage as well. That means our capacity to lift weight, it increases. Now you can easily lift those heavier weights as well. See, this bar is looking very heavy now. Your mind is also a muscle. When you are exercising it by watching these easy cal tricks, it is getting powerful. You'll be amazed at how strong and powerful your mind will become. You'll be able to do those huge, those heavy, monstrous calculations effortlessly. The advantage of using these easy cal tricks is that after learning them, your mind gets instantly powered up. So much so that you can crunch even these giant numbers effortlessly. Okay, so now let us try to multiply this huge 5-digit number with this 5-digit number directly and put the answer here. So now that you have already mastered in the last video the powerful easy cal trick of cross or vertical multiplication, so I'm sure that you can do even this calculation effortlessly. Start. So now let me do it. Take the first pair. 3 2 times is 6. Now take the next two pairs. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now take the next three pairs. 9 plus 2 is 11 plus 2 is 13. 18 plus 14 is 22, 32. 6 plus 1 is 7. 32 plus 7 is 39. 15 plus 6 is 21. Hold 21 in your mind. 12 plus 7 is 19 plus 3 is 22. 22 plus 21 is 43. You see, already we have half of the answer digits. If you ask me what the answer is, I can start saying it is 6, 8, 7, 3, blah 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 blah. So now let us quickly find the other half of the answer as well. So take the last four pairs. 10 plus 3 is 13. 6 plus 21 is 27. 27 plus 13 is 30, 40. 5 plus 9 is 14 plus 42. 42 plus 14 is 46, 56. 35 plus 18 would be 43, 53. And finally the last pair. 3 5 times is 15. So the answer would be 6, 8, 7, 3, 7, 6, 1, 4, 5. That's it. Question solved. Should I put down the answer for you? This is 6, this is 8, this is 6, but the sum of the next set of numbers is greater than 9. So I'll add 1 to it. That is, I'll put 7. Now this is 13, but since I've already taken care of that carry forward one, so I'll just put 3 here. This is 7, this is 5, but since this is greater than 9, so I'll put 6 here. This is 11, so I'll put just 1 here. This is 4, this is 5. Question solved. We have got this huge number as our final answer. Just imagine, had we used the usual way to multiply these 5-digit numbers, then not only it would have taken so long, but I don't think so that we would have been able to accommodate all these steps and the answer in this much space. It would have been next to impossible. By the way, I have used this yellow spotlight on my pen and these boxes to separate the pairs so that you can spot what I'm doing. But now that you have learned this trick, these things are not required. This trick of cross or vertical multiplication is very flexible. It can be used to easily multiply the numbers that have different number of digits, like a 4-digit number with a 3-digit number. All you have to do is fill the empty space with a 0. That's it. Now you'll be multiplying a 4-digit number with a 4-digit number. And you have already mastered the 4-digit multiplication in the last video. But the good news is that this multiplication would be even more easy, as multiplying anything with 0 always gives 0, and therefore you can do this multiplication even faster. So please do this question on your own. It is your homework. I would be definitely checking it the next time you'll be watching this video. But don't worry, I'll put down the answer for you so that you can compare it after doing it on your own. This is 0. 0 plus 24 is 24. 0 plus 12 is 12 plus 12 is 24. 0 plus 16 is 16. 30 plus 6 is 36. 36 plus 16 is 42, 52. 42 plus 8 is 50 plus 15 is 65. 21 plus 20 is 41. And 4 7 times is 28. So the final answer is 2698938. As you have just seen that you can multiply even the giant numbers directly, like a huge 5-digit number with another 5-digit number, by knowing just the basic mental addition. Though I have already given you a quick introduction to the very useful EasyCal trick of faster mental addition. Yes, I'm talking about the jumping up 10 trick that you learnt in the first video of this EasyCal series of faster algebra. But if you want a more detailed explanation of this wonderful technique, then you must watch the EasyCal series of faster mental math tricks. It is the collection of 30 videos covering the amazing techniques for doing all the basic math calculations easily. Like after watching these 5-minute videos, you'll be able to do the super fast mental addition or subtraction, multiplication, and yes, even division. Wait, I'll show you. In this EasyCal series, the jumping 10 trick of faster addition has been explained in more details using these very smart number tables. These number tables help your mind visualize better. Thus, you will not only be adding the numbers mentally, but your mind will also get the ability to hold the numbers that you have already added while you add more numbers. Just like the memory store and memory recall buttons on a calculator. So after learning that, you would be able to multiply even bigger numbers directly. You would be learning the amazing EasyCal techniques to do the other operations of mathematics as well, like the jumping down trick for subtracting the numbers mentally, or the base method of multiplication for multiplying the numbers mentally. And yes, you would be learning the amazing EasyCal trick for faster division as well. You would be dividing even such huge numbers directly in just one line. See, you'll be practicing this technique with so many examples. Moreover, you'll be learning the EasyCal trick to instantly find the square of the numbers. Like if you were to ask me, what is the square of 203? I would instantly say that it is 41209. That is 41,209. If you know this easy cal trick, then you can find the squares of all these numbers instantly. And similarly, if you know this formula for finding out the cubes of the numbers, then you can very easily find the cube of any number from 1 to 100. You can even find the cube roots of even such huge numbers instantly. Like if you were to ask me, what is the cube root of this number? My answer would be 32. Instantly, I can say that. Or for that matter, if you were to ask me that what is the cube root of this number, my answer would be 54. And yes, there are even the techniques to calculate the percentages or the discounts easily. Like 15% of 120 would be 12 plus 6, that is 18. 18 would be the answer. See, using this trick, I could calculate that in 4 seconds. Similarly, you can find all these percentages very easily. In short, after watching this EasyCal series, you will become a master of doing all the basic mathematical calculations.